Hi everyone, in front of me is LG Q6 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer, and since you're on the dial, let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on call settings. As you can see, on the second position we've got call blocking and decline with message, so let's tap on it. On the second position we've got blocked number, so we will enter this option, but let's take a look at this option. Here we've got the private numbers option, so after turning it on just by tapping on the switcher, your device will be able to reject all calls which are from private numbers. So it's quite a cool option. Obviously you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this. What's more, here we've got the digit filter, so it means that your device will detect the exact number, and if it will find exact numbers you would like to block, then it will block the whole call. Let me show it to you how it works. Let's tap on this plus icon in the right upper corner in order to add a filter, and as you can see, here we can enter the number. So we can enter, for example, 3 5s, let's say, and tap on match condition, and as you can see, you can decide if the number will start with those numbers or ends with it. And if, for example, let's tap on block first of all, and as you can see right now we've got the new rule set, and it means that if the number which will call you will start with 3 5s, it means that it will be blocked. So it's quite a cool option. Also, of course, you can remove it just by tapping on this trash bin icon and tap on delete. So this is how to digit filter, but let's focus on block numbers. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist, which is right now empty, so simply tap on this plus icon in the right upper corner, and here you can decide from which place you would like to block a number. You can block it from contact list, call logs, or new number. So after tapping on contacts, obviously you will be transferred to your contact list. You will be able to mark the contact you would like to block. If you will have more contacts, then you will be able to mark more of them and tap on done. And as you can see, it immediately appears on the blacklist. Let's check also the new number, and as you can see here, you can enter the number, so it means that the number do not have to be saved on the contacts. So let's tap on block, and as you can see, the same situation, it immediately appears on the blacklist, which means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from those numbers. Obviously you can unblock them just by tapping on this trash bin icon and marking the ones you would like to remove, and tap on remove. Tap on remove again, and right now the blacklist is empty. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your LG Q6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.